In this video, I'm going to be building a custom Liberty Walk F40 LEGO. Let's go. I've got a digital model right here and the pieces are arriving soon, so let's get into the build. The build's done, so let's print off some stickers. These are going to be really hard to put on, so I'll see you when they're all done. Okay, you guys might have noticed these custom rims, and they're actually made with some super simple pieces. Some of my other favourite details are the rear exhaust, the bucket seats, and the ice skates on the side. This is my best LEGO car, and I'm super proud of it. We're also so close to 2,000 subscribers, so if you click subscribe, that'll really help. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Whoa, you're still here? Well, subscribe to my secret stop motion channel. It only has 20 subscribers.